Hello, design lovers, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, transforming your farmhouse into a restoration hardware-inspired Christmas haven. Think Moody woods, lush greenery, and that sophisticated elegance RH is famous for. We're exploring every corner of the home, from the charming exterior to cozy indoor retreats, all dressed for the holidays. If you love timeless design with a festive twist, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Let's create something beautiful together. Your home's exterior sets the tone for everything inside, and a restoration hardware-inspired farmhouse facade is all about understated grandeur. Picture weathered wood siding in charcoal or warm taupe, paired with black steel-framed windows that create stunning contrast. For Christmas, we're keeping it elegant. Think fresh cedar garlands draped across the roofline with subtle white lights twinkling through. Flank your front door with matching evergreen topiaries and aged zinc planters, and add a simple boxwood wreath with a linen ribbon. The key is restraint. Let the architecture shine while nature provides the festive touch in that effortlessly chic way RH perfects. Step inside, and your entryway becomes the perfect preview of what's to come. Start with a reclaimed wood console table in a rich, dark finish. Walnut or espresso works beautifully. Above it, hang an oversized antiqued mirror with a simple frame to reflect light and create depth. Install rustic iron hooks for coats and hats, mixing function with farmhouse character. Below, tuck a vintage-inspired bench with linen cushions and woven storage baskets for shoes. Layer a natural jute runner over aged hardwood floors. For Christmas, add a mercury glass bowl filled with mixed evergreen clippings, pine cones, and white berry stems. Organic, moody, and absolutely stunning. The living room is where restoration hardware's signature aesthetic truly comes alive. Anchor the space with a deeply comfortable sectional in charcoal linen or Belgian flax, layered with chunky knit throws in cream and slate gray. Choose a reclaimed wood coffee table with iron accents. The patina and character are essential. Exposed beam ceilings painted in soft white contrast beautifully against shiplap walls in grayish or mushroom tones. For Christmas, style your mantel with fresh Fraser fir garland cascading naturally, interspersed with flickering pillar candles in varying heights. Add a vintage-inspired wreath above and incorporate antique brass candlesticks, creating that collected over time look that feels both curated and effortless. Your dining room deserves to be the showstopper this season. Center the space with a massive farmhouse trestle table in reclaimed oak or pine, showing off those beautiful wood grains and natural imperfections. Surround it with a mix of seating. Belgian linen slip-covered chairs and a tufted bench create that casual elegance. Overhead, install a statement chandelier in aged iron or weathered wood with Edison bulbs for warmth. The Christmas tablescape is where we get intentional. Layer linen runners in oatmeal tones, scatter fresh eucalyptus and olive branches down the center, and nestle in brass candlesticks with ivory tapers. Use stone or ceramic plates in muted tones, keeping everything organic and sophisticated. The farmhouse kitchen embraces both beauty and practicality, especially during the holiday season. Think custom cabinetry in deep charcoal or forest green with brushed brass hardware. Those warm metallics are quintessentially RH. Pair with honed marble or soapstone countertops that develop character over time. Your appliances should feel integrated. Panel-ready refrigerators, a professional style range in matte black, and a streamlined espresso machine on open shelving. For Christmas, style upper shelves with ironstone pitchers filled with evergreen branches and display vintage copper molds. Hang a fresh garland across your range hood, woven with dried oranges and cinnamon sticks. Keep it aromatic and inviting. This kitchen tells a story. Your family room should feel like the ultimate retreat, a place where everyone naturally gathers. Design around comfort with a deep, sink-in sectional in charcoal performance fabric that can handle real life. Layer in texture with cable knit throws, sheepskin pillows, and a vintage-inspired leather ottoman as a coffee table alternative. Mount your flat-screen TV above a rustic wood console or within custom shiplap paneling for that built-in look. Create ambient lighting with wrought iron floor lamps and dimmer switches. For Christmas, keep it simple. Drape garland along the console, add a small potted evergreen in a galvanized bucket, and scatter pine cones casually, warmth without clutter. Even your home office can embrace that moody, elegant Christmas aesthetic while remaining functional. Choose a streamlined desk in dark walnut or blackened steel with simple lines. Parsons-style tables work beautifully here. Add a vintage-inspired desk lamp in brass or bronze and incorporate a small transistor radio for that nostalgic touch. Wall-mounted shelving in reclaimed wood keeps books and essentials organized while displaying carefully chosen objects. Include a unique desk clock, perhaps an antique brass piece or industrial-style design. For the holidays, place a small arrangement of white pine and silver dollar eucalyptus in a ceramic vessel on your desk, and hang a simple evergreen wreath on the wall. Festive inspiration for productive days. Create the reading nook of your dreams in that unused corner or alcove. Start with a deep, comfortable armchair in luxurious Belgian linen upholstered in mushroom or slate, something you'll sink into for hours. Position it near a window to maximize natural light, and add a simple floor lamp with an adjustable arm for evening reading. Include a small side table in aged wood or metal for your tea and current book stack. Layer in texture with a cashmere throw and velvet pillows in forest green or burgundy. For Christmas, tuck fresh cedar branches behind picture frames on nearby walls and place a small bowl of fragrant pomanders on your side table, creating a sensory retreat that's perfectly festive. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, especially during the busy holiday season. Build your palette around moody, calming tones. Think charcoal, warm grays, and touches of forest green. Invest in a substantial upholstered bed in Belgian linen, or choose a reclaimed wood frame with iron details for rustic elegance. Layer your bedding with crisp white sheets, a chunky knit blanket, and oversized Euro shams in textured linen. Flank the bed with matching wood nightstands topped with ceramic lamps in organic shapes. For Christmas, keep it subtle. Place stems of fresh eucalyptus in simple glass vases on nightstands and drape a garland of mixed greens across your headboard. Restful, refined, and utterly romantic. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with restoration hardware sensibility. Install a walk-in shower with subway tiles in matte white or soft gray, paired with oil-rubbed bronze or matte black fixtures for contrast. Add a freestanding soaking tub if space allows, the ultimate luxury. Your vanity should feature clean lines in dark wood with marble or concrete countertops and an undermount sink for seamless elegance. Include a large frameless or simply framed mirror and sconce lighting on either side. For Christmas, roll plush white towels and tie them with velvet ribbon in deep green. Display fresh eucalyptus in a glass jar on the counter and light a pine-scented candle, turning daily routines into luxurious moments. Don't overlook the garage. It's part of your home's story too. Embrace industrial farmhouse style with exposed rafters, concrete floors with a sealed finish, and pegboard walls painted matte black for tool storage. Install open shelving in galvanized metal or reclaimed wood for organizing seasonal items and sporting equipment. Keep your workspace functional with a sturdy workbench in butcher block or steel. Add vintage-inspired metal signs and Edison bulb string lights for character. For Christmas, this is where you store decorations stylishly. Use matching galvanized bins labeled with rustic tags and hang a simple evergreen wreath on the interior door leading into the house, organized, intentional, and seasonally appropriate. Extend your living space outdoors with a patio designed for year-round enjoyment. Create structure with a pergola or covered area in natural wood beams, and anchor the space with weather-resistant furniture in teak or powder-coated steel with plush outdoor cushions in neutral tones. Add a stone or brick fire pit as the focal point, perfect for chilly December evenings. Include outdoor string lights with vintage-style bulbs overhead for ambience. Layer in texture with outdoor rugs in geometric patterns and lanterns in various sizes. For Christmas, hang fresh garland across the pergola beams. Arrange evergreen branches in oversized planters flanking the seating area, and place flameless candles in hurricane lanterns, creating magical outdoor moments all season long. Lighting transforms everything, especially in a moody, elegant farmhouse Christmas design. Layer your lighting strategically. Start with ambient lighting from statement fixtures like iron chandeliers or rustic pendant lights with Edison bulbs. Add task lighting where needed, under cabinet lights in the kitchen, reading lamps beside chairs. Then comes accent lighting, the magic makers. Use dimmer switches throughout to control intensity and mood. For Christmas, incorporate warm white string lights sparingly, tucked into garlands, wrapped around evergreen arrangements, or draped along open shelving. Add mercury glass votives and pillar candles in varying heights throughout your home. The goal is that soft, golden glow that makes everything feel intimate and inviting, quintessentially restoration hardware. Understanding materials is key to nailing this aesthetic. Restoration hardware celebrates authenticity. Real wood with visible grain and character marks, genuine leather that develops patina, linen that wrinkles beautifully, and metals with hand-rubbed finishes. Choose reclaimed or distressed woods in walnut, oak, or pine with natural variations. Embrace linen in its pure form. Belgian flax is the gold standard. Metal finishes should be aged iron, oil-rubbed bronze, antique brass, or pewter. Nothing too shiny. For Christmas accessories, choose natural materials. Real pine and cedar, dried botanicals, wood beads, cotton velvet ribbon, and mercury or smoke glass. Avoid plastics and artificial greenery. Authenticity is everything in creating that collected, timeless look we're after. Your color palette sets the entire mood, and we're embracing rich, sophisticated tones. Start with a neutral base: charcoal, grayish, warm gray, mushroom, and creamy whites. These create depth without darkness. Add wood tones in walnut, espresso, and weathered oak for warmth and grounding. Your accent colors come from nature: forest green, sage, deep burgundy, and touches of brass or bronze metallics. For Christmas, let greenery provide the color: Fraser fir, white pine, cedar, eucalyptus, and olive branches in various shades of green. This creates that organic, collected feeling. Use burgundy velvet sparingly in pillows or ribbon, and incorporate cream-colored candles. The result? A palette that feels both festive and timeless, sophisticated yet warmly inviting. The secret to that effortless restoration hardware look? Intentional layering. Start with larger foundational pieces, then build with medium-scale items, and finish with carefully chosen accessories, following the rule of 3 for visual interest. Vary heights: low coffee table books, medium candlesticks, tall branches and bases. Mix textures intentionally: rough wood against smooth linen, matte ceramics beside gleaming brass. Create vignettes on surfaces rather than spacing items evenly. For Christmas, layer garland with depth. Let it drape naturally, with some pieces hanging lower than others. Nestle items within the greenery rather than placing them beside it. Group candles in odd numbers. This layered approach creates richness and prevents that decorated look. Instead, everything feels naturally collected and lived in. Design engages all senses, and Christmas is the perfect time to embrace this fully. Scent creates powerful memories and atmosphere. Choose fragrant fresh greenery like Fraser fir, cedar, and eucalyptus that naturally perfumes your space. Add scented candles in pine, balsam, sandalwood, or white winter, but avoid anything artificial or overly sweet. Simmer potpourri on the stove with orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and star anise for natural fragrance. Texture invites touch. Chunky knits beg to be wrapped up in. Velvet pillows feel luxurious, and natural jute rugs ground the space tactily. Include soft background music, perhaps a vintage radio playing jazz standards or instrumental holiday classics. When design engages multiple senses, spaces become truly memorable and emotionally resonant. You might think this level of design requires unlimited resources, but let me share how to make it accessible. Start with quality foundational pieces in neutral colors. These are investments that work year-round. Shop secondhand for vintage and reclaimed wood pieces that add instant character at fraction of retail costs. Use paint to transform existing furniture. Chalk paint in charcoal or greige updates pieces beautifully. For Christmas, invest in real greenery rather than expensive ornaments. It's affordable and makes the biggest impact. DIY simple elements. Create garlands from grocery store greenery, make your own cedar bundles, and collect natural elements like pine cones during walks. Mix high and low. Splurge on one statement light fixture, save on throw pillows. The restoration hardware aesthetic is about curated restraint, not excess spending. Once you've created your moody, elegant Christmas farmhouse, maintain it throughout the season with simple routines. Fresh greenery lasts longer when misted daily and kept away from heat sources. Replace pieces as they brown. Candles create ambience but need trimming. Cut wicks to 1/4 inch before each lighting for clean burning. Fluff pillows and refold throws daily to maintain that styled look. Rotate accessories slightly each week to keep spaces feeling fresh. Move that mercury glass bowl from coffee table to console. Keep surfaces somewhat clear of clutter, so your intentional styling shines. Deep clean weekly, paying special attention to light fixtures and mirrors that gather dust. These small maintenance habits ensure your space looks professionally designed all season long, ready for both everyday living and impromptu guests. And there you have it, friends, your complete guide to creating a restoration hardware-inspired farmhouse Christmas filled with moody woods and elegant greenery. We've journeyed through every space, from that stunning facade to the cozy reading nook, discovering how to layer textures, choose authentic materials, and create that collected, sophisticated aesthetic RH perfects. Remember, this style celebrates restraint, quality, and nature's beauty. Start with one room. Invest in pieces you'll love year-round, and build your collection thoughtfully. If you loved this tour, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us create more content you'll love. Drop a comment below telling me which space you're most excited to design. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your daily dose of design inspiration. Happy decorating, and here's to a beautiful, meaningful holiday season.